Hello everybody, this is Emily from Upcycled Home bringing you a little small craft today. If you want to watch the full video, please go ahead and check that out on my YouTube channel. Now I'm just coming in with this basket. I did cut it in half and I spray painted the inside with just some white Rust-Oleum paint, and I thought I could use this like a little mail holder. So now I'm just going to come in and embellish it. These are some IOD birdsong molds that I use with some resin casting. I will have that link down in my description to purchase these as well. I'm coming in with this cute little rose here. It's like a vintage rose color, and another little resin bird here to sit on the edge of that little lattice work there to make it look like it's sitting on a fence. I added in some more greenery and a pop of color, a little vintage Western Union tag, and once my hot glue gun got hot, I come back in with it and attach that little bird here. Now I did have a little bit of lace up on the top of the handle, and I decided to come in and add a little paper tag here and embellish it that way. And to bring in a little bit more color, I'm adding in a little page here from my junk journaling supplies, and I'm going to put that in back of that tag, and then this project is done. Go check out the full video over on my YouTube channel. I'll have that link in the description. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more DIY videos. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you on the next one.